Hello. So I want to go over the first couple days of our exponent rules notes. So on the first day, we learned about multiplying two powers with the same base. So these three examples here on this table, 2 to the third times 2 squared. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to learn how to do this and what this means. And then we're going to write a rule that gives us kind of the shortcut or the secret to doing it correctly. So I'm going to start on slide 2. If I look at this, it says 2 to the third times 2 squared. In the first box, it wants you to write it in expanded form. 2 to the third power in expanded form looks like this, 2 times 2 times 2. It means 2 times itself 3 times, so there's going to be 3 2's. Then I have 2 squared. So if 2 to the third meant there's 3 2's, 2 squared means there's just going to be 2 of them. Oops. Now, exponential form means I'm going to take all of this together and I'm going to write it with one base and one exponent. The base is the number that's repeating, so the 2 repeated a whole lot. The exponent is how many times it repeated. If I look, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2's. So to write the exponent, I'd open the keypad, I'd hit this A to the B button, and I'm going to hit the number 5. Now, I'm going to put an equal sign just so it doesn't change it to the number, but I don't need anything after the equals. Look at the next one. So we're going to do the same thing. 3 to the fourth times 3 to the third. So there's going to be 4 3's. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then there's going to be 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So on this one, the base is going to be 3. The exponent, yep, there's 7 of those. And the last one, you guessed it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so the base again is 6. The exponent is going to be 10. So what we're doing here, when you multiply two powers with the same base, well, the secret shortcut is to get from here to here. You keep the base the same, and you add the exponents. What we really want to do is we want to get away from making this, having this step right here. We want to be able to jump from here to here. Now, over in this box, what we're going to do is we're going to put our high school hats on. We're going to use this rule to rewrite this so that it just looks like an algebraic expression that would work for any number. So up here at the top, you see these different things. I'm going to click the one that says math when I hover over it. And then I'm going to click down in this box. The rule says keep the base the same. So my base is an A. And add the exponents. Well, how I get the exponent, I'm going to hold the shift button down and hit the 6. So when I hold the shift and hit the 6, it moves my cursor up. I'm going to open parentheses and it says add the exponents. Well, my exponents are m and n. So m plus n. So now I have written this rule. That's all you're doing on the notes slide. The next thing you need to do is come over to slide 4 and you're going to follow that rule here. So the original problem is 10 squared times 10 to the 5th. My base will be 10. 2 plus 5 is 7. That's it. So that's what you'll do for all of these. When you're finished with this slide, take a picture, turn it in, and then go on to division.